Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play the Operation board game. This will be a full tutorial with easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the Operation board game when it has been fully set up. So in each of these spaces there's an associated picture and you place that object. They call it an ailment in the instructions. You place that object or ailment in the space. Now there's a rubber band missing. I opened the game box and it's not there, so I believe the last time I was playing this with my wife and my kids, we lost it, or maybe maybe we needed the rubber band for something, so we used it for something else, but I will replace that after. But there would be a rubber band here usually as well. Now basically you're going to decide who goes first. In the instructions I believe that it says that the youngest player goes first, but you can roll the dice or do rock paper scissors or something like that, or draw cards, and you want to figure out who goes first. Now the name of the game is basically to remove an ailment from the spot without the tweezers. You're going to use the tweezers to remove the ailment without the tweezers touching the metal sides over here. If the tweezers touch the metal sides, the nose will light up, you will get buzzed out, and you have to put the ailment back in place. So let's say, for instance, I was trying to get this paint bucket over here, and I touched the outside. As you can see, the nose lights up, and you can probably barely hear it, but it buzzed me out. So I'm touching the metal side. Okay, it's kind of vibrating a little bit and buzzing, and I would have to place the ailment back in there. That would mean that the next player would go, which is the player to my left. Okay, so you have to try and remove the ailments, and you can remove up to one ailment each turn. Okay, now the battery in this game is low. I have to replace them. So I believe when we first put the batteries in, the buzzing and the illumination of the nose was a little bit more intense. So just in case you're wondering why it sort of seems pretty low, I believe that it was more intense before, but the battery is indeed running low, so the batteries, I have to replace them. Now let's say it's the next person's turn and they go to grab the, let's just say the smiley face right here. They go to grab it, right? And they're able to, let's just see if we can pull it out. There we go, without touching. So yeah, let's say they're able to pull it out without touching. Well, that means they place it in front of them and they get to keep that ailment, and it goes to the next person. So you can only get up to one ailment each time, okay? Now at the end of the game, once every ailment has been removed, you're gonna count however many you have, and the player with the most removed wins. So essentially you're going player to player, turn to turn, and each player is gonna get one chance at removing something. If they touch the side, they get buzzed out because the nose will illuminate and it will buzz them out. It'll vibrate a little bit and buzz them out, and that means that they have to place the ailment back in place. They don't get to take anything out. And if the next player, whichever player, if they remove it without touching, okay, they don't get buzzed out. They get to keep that ailment in front of them, and then you count at the end. Once all of them have been removed, you count at the end who has the most of them, and that's the person that wins that round or that match. And you can keep score. You can play one match, you can play 20 matches. It's up to you. You can keep score however you want to, okay? So that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.